Hello, my name is Fahni Dian Pratama. In this video, I will make a content about the role of social media in increasing student creativity in the era of the Industrial Revolution 5.0. Introduction. The concept of Industry 5.0 has emerged to express a new phase in industrial transformation. As the name suggests, this concept refers for industrial revolution. The reason behind this definition is the advancement of today's computer technologies, which have started a new era in the industry. The founder of World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab, stated that having a globally shared view about how technology is changing our life is necessary. As those changes are so profound, they show great promise. Point out that the concept of Industry 5.0 explains change the industrial world. However, the term is being used in the different contexts and does not have a clear definition. Current use of the term is insignificant and meaningless in some respects, as there is insufficient information about the concept. Moreover, the over-ambitious marketing of this concept made it even more difficult to understand. Sources referring to Industry 5.0 are repeating the same things in different ways. However, growing use of this terminology can be counted as evidence of industrial development transition to a new phase. Social media platforms are extensions of the Web 2.0 technologies that have emerged over the past 10 years to greatly transform online interaction. Widely adopted digital media formats, as well as the ability to share, publish, and co-create with a variety of proprietary and open source web tools and services, are widely available, and with fewer technical barriers, opportunities for educators are plentiful in leveraging social media technologies to expand space for learning. Given its characteristic of cross-disciplinary connection, design education is broadly defined as the introduction of theory and application in the creation of product, service, and communication. Generally, students require a wide range of knowledge, good creativity, and enabling environment for communication and exchange. Next, we move to contents. The results show that social media is correlated with creative expression. In particular, perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness have significant and positive correlation with capturing and challenging. In other words, students can use social media to promote their creativity and influence the two aspects of challenging and capturing. In addition, individual creativity has positive influence on perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. 41.07% of the variance of perceived ease of use can be explained by creativity expression. 11.5% of the variance of perceived usefulness can be explained by creativity expression. Hence, students with higher creativity have fewer obstacles in their use of social media. Social media provide use with the function of recording, storage, instant sharing, and exchange, which facilitate the capture of inspiration. This point is consistent with the significant and positive correlation between the usability dimension of social media and capturing. In addition, between the usability dimension of social media and capturing. In addition, the usability dimension of social media is significantly correlated with challenging, which is consistent with the research When the students use social media, their intention of self-expression and challenging will be effective. In other words, some students will compare themselves with their peers or have the psychology to challenge their peers who share their content or work. This finding reminds teachers to design various activities that can enhance the challenging or capturing natures of students during their education of social media, thus better facilitating education. This purpose a social media constructing creatively theoretical model to study the correlation between the usability dimension of social media and the individual creativity of students. Although our finding provide meaningful implication, this study has several limitations that should be addressed in the future. The perceived ease of us, perceived usefulness, and adoption intention in these are merely the basic usability dimension of social media, and are unable to reflect all usability dimension as a whole in this like other factors such as self-expression and the usability motive may be further analysis. At the same time, the study aims to understand the connection between the usability dimension of social media and individual creativity without testing other intermediary factors, such as personality and demographic variables, and explore the influence of different types of social media. These are issues for follow-up studies to explore in the future. Here are some suggestions for the role of social media in increasing student creativity in the era of the Industrial Revolution 5.0. 1. Unique social experience. It is social media after all. You want people to start talking. You can do this in the form of polls, quizzes, live video broadcasts, and many more innovative ways to invite your audience into the conversation. 2. Add video. Video works for multiple reasons. First of all, you are presenting the content in an enjoyable medium that consumes love. Secondly, most social media platforms give preference to video, especially on their mobile apps, which is where a majority of social media users go to. Finally, video allows for strategies that may prove to be undoable otherwise, such as behind the scenes tours, tutorial, and more. 3. Add new visual with the new color. Sure, you want to stay consistent with your company branding, but the right graphic designer knows how to turn the pre-existing material into something new and exciting. Find a way to create new picture, video, live broadcast, GIFs, and many more. 4. Incorporate podcasts and blogs. These two handy mediums can be help you position yourself as a credible source of information in your industry through innovative form of media. Blogging and podcasting are extremely popular methods that business share their story with an audience. The best part of all is that once you have the writing down for one, the other is essentially finished too. Conclusion: the above content ideas incorporate social, creative, and informational tools to allow your audience to get a new glimpse of your brand. This is the best part of social media. There are always new and exciting ways to engage your audience. So, start creating today. Thanks for watching. I am Fahmi Dian Pratama. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.